Hi guys, it's Sebastian. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be making this origami turtle. This is actually the first origami tutorial I've ever done, on my channel at least. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and comment down below. And let's get right into it. And by the way, how you guys are doing? I know that virus is going on, so you can't really get together with your friends or anything, but still. So we'll be using a 6-inch origami paper. So first you want to fold diagonally. Make the creases very sharply and pause the video if you need to. This is not my design, by the way, but still. And then you want to fold diagonally. So crease that. Then you want to fold vertical, which is up and down. And then you want to unfold, and then fold horizontal. Then you want to unfold, and then fold the 3 corners to the center. So only 3, not all of them. Shout out to Ferran who taught me this. And then do the other one. Sorry if this isn't perfect, but nothing's perfect in life. Life kind of messed that up. Whatever, it's fine. And then flip over. And then fold this one to the center. And then rotate 180 degrees so the flap is on the bottom, and then fold like this, and you make it like a triangle base, and then you squash fold. So let me show you that again. Boom. And now I like to bring this flap over so it makes like a little pyramid angle, and then bring this other one over here and then squash fold. And then you want to rotate 180 degrees, and then flip this flap up to the center. So this goes here to here. And then unfold, and then fold this crease to here so it gets to the center. And then unfold, and then fold all the way this corner to around here, so it makes this little triangle / right triangle area, and repeat on the other side that we just did, but don't flip over. And then fold this corner up, this center up to here, and then fold this crease here, and then you're going to take it and then like make the flap so it makes a little shape of the head. So like the crease around here, you would bring this in, you would tuck it in and crease it along it, and then you do the same thing on the other side. Not going to look perfect, but still. Then you flip over, open one of these flaps, and then open. And then you want to make up the fin. So what you're going to do is hold it here, and then you're going to squash it. So it makes like the little other tail, finny, whatever. So then we do this. I'm running out of time, so don't blame me if I start going fast. And then we do the same thing on the other side. And then bring it, tuck it in until it gets to here, right, that little point. And do it the same thing on the other side. And then you do this right here. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, comment down below. Ran out of time, so bye.